Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove suggested friends on TikTok. So, I'll show you how to remove suggested friends on TikTok if you don't want TikTok recommending people you know or showing friend suggestions in your feed. Just follow these steps. So, first open TikTok app and make sure you're signed in to your account. Then tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select settings and privacy at the bottom. So from here, scroll down and tap contacts and locations under preferences. So click on it. Look for options like sync contacts and Facebook friends or suggest your account to others depending on your version of TikTok. Now, if sync contacts or sync Facebook friends is enabled, you can turn both of them off. You can also remove previously synced contacts by selecting Remove Previously Synced Contacts if that option is available. Then at the top, you can also turn off contacts, Facebook friends, and also people who open or send links to you. And that's it. So again, just go to settings and privacy, then go down to preferences and select contacts and location. Then turn off sync contacts, sync Facebook friends, contacts, Facebook friends, etc. So this helps reduce friend suggestions and limits how your account is recommended to others. So while TikTok may still show some recommendations based on your activity, disabling these settings will significantly reduce suggested friends. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.